Hello friends, today we're going to discuss what is the in operator in SQL Server and how can we use in operator in SQL Server. So let's begin to understand. Here is a simple definition of the in operator. The in operator allow you to specify multiple value in a where class. It is test whether a specific value match any value in the list. Here is a simple syntax. We just use the column name or the expression and just we have to write down the in keyword for in operator and we have to put in parenthesis multiple values like list of the values. First we have to specify the column name that to be test, and second we have to specify the list of the value that to be test, and all the values must have the same type as a type of the column. It means for example the column is a string and you just going to be put the integer value in operator, then it would return the error. Same thing if the column type just a integer and you going to be use string value that with the in operator, then it would return the error. So the column type and the value type should be same, so it will help to match the values. The in operator is equivalent to the or operator. It means following example behave equivalent. Here is a two line. First line is the same like we use the in operator and we use multiple value with the in operator to match the column, and second line we use same values with the or operator. These two lines behave similar, but second line increase the query length, so it is better we use the in operator if you want to match any one of the multiple values. If the values in the column is equal to any value in the list, the result of the in operator is true. It means, for example, if you pass five values in with the in operator and any one value match to the column values, then in operator return the true. To negate in operator, we just use not in operator. Syntax is a similar, just a column name or expression. We just write down the not in to negate in operator, and we just similar way we can put the multiple value. So not in operator basically it is true if the column does not equal to any value in the list. For example, you pass the five values and these five value does not match to the column value, then not in operator return the true. If the any value of the list item match to the column values, then it not in operator will return the false value. You can use subquery that return list of the values with the in operator. You can also put the subquery that is return a list of the item with the in operator. Similar syntax, we just write down the column name or expression and put the subquery in parenthesis. In this syntax, the subquery is the select statement which return a list of value in a single column. Single column means if you put the subquery that return the two column or multiple column, that it will return the error. You just put the such type of the subquery that return a single column with a list item. So and the in operator can work. So let's see these example with the SQL Server. Here we have a SQL Server and we have a table, class table. Here is a two column. First is a class ID, second is a class name. And we just want to use in operator. For example, I type in and just put the values. Simple select query, you can see here is select query. Select from the class where class ID. We just put the values that we want to match class ID. So just I put one and 2. So let's see what will be the result. You can see only two rows can be displayed because of these class id present in operator. So in such a case, any value of the in operator match to the class id column, then it will return the true. Same thing if you want to use the negate, if you want to negate in operator, then just use not in, not in. So let's see what will be the result. You can see both table. Here is our main table. There is a 4 row, and we use negate condition of in operator, not in, and just we want to put list of item 1 or 2. You can see only display that rows that is not present in not in operator. So you can understand how can we use in operator and how can we negate the in operator. So in similar way, we can use subquery. Like I put just a subquery, like there is another table, student table, and I want to display only that record that is present in class id in student table. So just you can see I just copy paste this query. This query basically return the list of the class id, and we just match this class id with the class class table class table class id column of the class table. So let's see what would be the result. You can see 3 rows are display, and it is gives only that row that is present in operator, like this one class id, 3 class id, and 4 class id. So when you execute this query, you can see only same row. And to negate this condition, you can also see the result. Only one row is here because of 2 does not present in this subquery. If the value does not present in the list of item, then not in operator return the true value. So I hope guys you understand how can we use in operator and how can we negate in operator. So thank you for watching this video.